everyone! I was given the opportunity to review some colored contact lenses from a brand called Just4kira. They've been absolutely wonderful. This video does contain paid promotion, but of course I will always do my best to be as honest as possible when reviewing these items. Hello dolls, I'm Zoe. Welcome to my channel where I'm usually wearing contact lenses. I need prescription lenses to see, but for filming, contacts are the best option. I've tried circle lenses in the past and I thought they were really cool, but I've never tried like natural looking colored contact lenses. My eyes are naturally like a green hazel color, but I've always wanted blue eyes, so hopefully today we can achieve that along with some other colors. The Just4kira lenses took about 3 weeks to arrive and they cost between $35 and $55 Canadian, but I can get you 20% off if you use the code UNOR. Just follow the link in the description. And let's get right into it. The lenses came in a cute little black box with an instruction sheet. I got 4 pairs in 8 little packs, 1 for each eye, and they came with 4 storage containers with tweezers and a little lens holder in each. Okay, the first ones I'm going to look at are the Vision Gray. They came in this cute little box, Style Vision Color Gray. Now let's just look at them as they are. They're a really light gray. They're almost white and no tinge of any color to them, just like white gray with a little bit of lines through them. All right, let's try them on. So here's a quick little tip if you've never put contacts in before. They can be inside out. When you hold up the lens and look at it, it should be bowl shaped. If it's more tulip shaped like this, the edges are flared out, that means it's inside out and it's going to be really uncomfortable. So make sure it's bowl shaped. So there's just one in. Wow. Okay, there's 2. These are striking. They don't look as white when you put them in. They actually look like they might have a tinge of blue to them, even though they didn't by themselves. Wow, these are so pretty. Yeah, they look like a really light blue on. And they completely covered all the color of my eyes. Except actually right around my pupil, just because the lights are so bright and my pupil is so small, you can see a little bit of the hazel. I really like these. These are gorgeous. They look, wow. They look really different though. It doesn't even look like me. So the next ones we're going to do are Glitter Violet. They came in this cute little case. They are in the style glitter and the color violet. These ones, like the gray ones, are $39.34. Now let's look at them just by themselves. Wow, these are really pretty. Okay, so they've got a dark purple ring around the outside that kind of creeps in with some spots into the inside. And then on the inside, they're mostly this light pink color, but there's a small section at the bottom that's a really nice light, like lavendery purple. And then there's some like gold specks in it as well. So let's try them on. Okay, so here's just one in. Oh, these are so cool. Okay, here's both of them in. They are so purple. Like, these ones don't look natural at all, actually. I look like, I don't know, like a mythical creature or something. I'm gonna try and rotate this one. There we go. So that they look the same. Because the little purple part in it is very purple, whereas the rest is kind of pinky. They kind of look like a mix of brown and blue eyes together. So they almost look natural, but when you get a good look at them, they're definitely purple. Oh, I love these ones. They're so bright. This is so cool. Okay, these next ones I'm really excited about. They are the Sl70 Blue. They're style Sl70 color blue, and they were $35.65. Let's take a look at them. So these ones are beautiful. They've got a dark blue ring around the outside, and they're like a sky blue on the inside, and then at the very inside around the pupil they are a nice green. Let's try them on. Alright, so here's one in. Okay, and here's both of them. These ones are just not very comfortable. I don't know what's going on. They just don't feel very comfortable. And they don't feel super clear either. Maybe I just need to get used to them. So these ones, I think I can see the color a little bit. They kind of make my vision like a tiny bit blurry just around the edges, which is weird. I don't really like that, but let's look at them. Wow, okay, so these ones are beautiful. They're such a bright, like opaque blue. They look really, really striking on, but you can kind of see the color a little bit. I don't like that. I think looks-wise, the way they look, these ones are my favorite. They're the most striking. They could be natural. Okay, yeah, I think I'm kind of used to them now. I just took a second. I love these ones. The color is beautiful. Okay, so the last ones are ginger green. They came in this cute little box like the purple ones. And so they are the Style Ginger Color Green, and they're also $39.34. Let's take a look at them. Okay, so these ones are just straight green. They've got a nice dark green rim around the edge with like lines that come into the center. And then the center is like a nice, like, I'm gonna say kiwi green, a nice light green color, really beautiful. All right, let's try them on. Wow. So here's one in. These are big. These ones look like circle lenses. They're actually bigger than my actual iris, you can tell. Let's put the other one in. Okay, yeah, these ones look like circle lenses. The ginger style seem to be big doll eyes. And here's both of them. They're massive. So these ones I can see perfectly like the others, but so these ones I can see perfectly. They are definitely bigger than my iris. They make my eyes look huge, and they're very green. This is a very unnatural green color. I don't think anybody has eyes like this, but I like them nonetheless. I feel like a fairy. Yeah, definitely feel like a creature in these ones. They're really bright, really green, and really big. These are beautiful though. They look like a doll. These are so cute. I'm gonna wear these for the rest of the video, I think. Overall, I think these contacts are awesome. They really change the color of my eyes, and they're exactly as advertised. They look just like the pictures. The only thing is they're not super natural looking, and the one blue shade did kind of bother my vision a little bit. So little things, but other than that, I really like them, and I definitely think I'm gonna get more of these. Especially these giant green ones. These are really cool. I'm gonna get them in every color. Okay, that was fun, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed yourself, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or you can watch another video right over here. Mwah! Thanks for watching.